Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a shirt on Roblox. For that you have to go to Roblox Creator Hub. Here is the link, you can see it. So after reaching the website or entering in the website, go to creation option. There go to the avatar item, then choose classic, then classic shirts. Then choose upload asset. So there are lots of more options. You can see shirt, pants, etc, etc. So you have to upload the design of the shirt here by clicking on the upload. Name of the shirt you are gonna give, you can say Messi shirt, and you can give a description, full, half. So after providing the description, just simply press upload and the shirt will be uploaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like it.